Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will cover the detailed steps to maintain and repair your Surface 1796 device while understanding the warranty implications. To start, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a soft cloth for cleaning, and isopropyl alcohol for internal maintenance. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Using the precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel. Be mindful of the screw types. You will typically encounter Torx screws, which require a specific driver from your set. Lay the screws out in a safe place to avoid losing them during the process. Once the back panel is removed, you can access the internal components. This is a great time to check for dust buildup. Use a soft cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the internal surfaces. Avoid using excessive moisture that could damage the circuits. Regular cleaning can enhance the performance of your device and extend its lifespan. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't worry. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about handling the repairs yourself, our team can assist you in identifying the problem without any commitment on your part. Now, while cleaning, take a moment to inspect the battery connections and any visible components for wear or damage. If you spot anything unusual, it might be time to consider a repair. If you don't have the tools or expertise, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. There's no need for calls or travel, we simplify the process for you. Once you've completed the cleaning and inspection, reattach the back panel carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. This step is crucial as loose screws can lead to further internal issues. Before concluding your maintenance, let's talk about warranty. Ensure that any repairs you might need adhere to the guidelines of your warranty policy. If you do require repairs, it's essential to obtain a quote before repair, which we can provide easily during your consultation. Having a clear understanding of the costs involved can help you make informed decisions. Finally, ensure to power on your Surface 1796 and check that everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this not only keeps your device running smoothly but also ensures that you remain within the warranty terms, protecting your investment. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you with your Surface 1796 warranty and maintenance needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.